Hello, I'm teaching you how to screen record. Last time I didn't figure it out, but I couldn't get sound, but I figured it out. You just go to EMU for iOS.net. I'll leave that in the description. And then you set your day back one, and then install. I've already installed it. And then you open it up. Oh, wait a second, I gotta keep my date behind when I accidentally set it. Date and time. I'm gonna set it one behind. I open it, and then you click that. I record BTA, click install, and then if you want sound, you go to settings. And then you go to privacy, and then you click microphone, and then iRecord, you select it on. And then if you want to change how people see it, you can do that. You should leave it how it is, like these two things like that, leave it how it is. But you can mess with this to do it, but I think this is the best way to do it. I have no idea, I haven't figured it out. If you want to have sound, just go to privacy microphone, select that, and then you go to iRecord down at the very bottom, and then select record audio, turn that on. If you don't want it to have sound, just turn record audio off. And you do need your date behind one to record, just because I record a long time ago. So I got iRecord last 2 months, so I don't need to do it because this version's old. So that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I forget. You can do this, and then name your thing, or you can click, and then you can do record, and then when you want to stop recording, you exit out of the app you're done recording with. Click the red at the top, and then click stop recording. So that's the end of this video. I hope this helped.